Artificial intelligence is rapidly transforming industries across India, influencing a broad range of sectors from healthcare to manufacturing and beyond. As a key driver of innovation, AI is not only optimizing operations but also creating new business models, enhancing customer experiences, and contributing to economic growth. Welcome to VAR India News Hour. AI has indeed transitioned from being a mere buzzword to a mainstream technology, fundamentally transforming industries and unlocking immense business value. It holds the promise to revolutionize sectors, unlock significant business value, and enhance customer experiences. Its impact is seen across various sectors, enhancing customer experiences, streamlining operations, and fostering innovation. The advancements in generative AI, especially with multimodal and multilingual capabilities, are particularly exciting. We expect open source technology to be key in making AI both affordable and effective for businesses. As a use case in India, Jio is utilizing real time AI to optimize their radio cell and network equipment. With over 2 million radio cells deployed across India, each unit is autonomously optimized to meet specific traffic and customer needs since the launch of their 5G service in the country. These real-life applications will only accelerate with the advancements in generative AI, leading to a range of hyper-personalized solutions driven by our enterprise knowledge, as per Akash Ambani, Chairman Reliance Jio. It highlights Jio's ambition to be a leader in the AI revolution and its commitment to leveraging AI across its various business segments. He reveals how AI and data-driven insights are now integral to our daily operations, and we aim to incorporate AI into all our product segments, that is mobility, home, enterprise, and applications. From automation to advanced analytics, AI is transforming business models and enabling companies to develop new products and services that were previously unthinkable. This innovation is driving industries like healthcare, finance, manufacturing, and retail to explore new revenue streams. AI indeed presents a massive growth opportunity, with its market potential projected to exceed $250 billion by the next decade. This highlights the immense value AI can unlock, offering unprecedented business advantages. Let's look into today's headlines. The State Bank of India classifies MTNL account as NPA after Rs 282 crore default. The State Bank of India has marked the loan accounts of the struggling state-owned company MTNL as non-profiting assets because the company has not paid its installments and interest since June 30th. According to a letter from SBI dated October 1st, MTNL's total outstanding loan was Rs 325.52 crore as of September 30th, as shared by the company in the filing with stock exchanges. SBI in the letter said that Rs 281.62 crore is overdue, which needs to be paid immediately to regularize the account. The public sector bank has sought the status of the government assurance to clear MTNL dues. BSNL to bundle its 4G SIM with Carbon handsets. To expand reliable 4G services across India while supporting the Make in India initiative, BSNL has partnered with Carbon to launch an affordable 4G SIM handset bundle. This partnership comes at a time when BSNL is working hard to expand its 4G services to keep pace with its private sector competitors. The SIM handset bundling offer is expected to boost BSNL's customer base by making it easier for users to access 4G services with an affordable smartphone. Aviral Jain appointed as the new Executive Director of the Reserve Bank of India. The Reserve Bank of India has appointed Aviral Jain as the Executive Director with effect from October 1st of 2024. Prior to being promoted to Executive Director, Jain was serving as Regional Director for Maharashtra. Aviral Jain has an experience of more than 3 decades in areas of supervision, currency management, foreign exchange regulation, and human resource management. As Executive Director, Jain will look after the Legal Department, Premises Department, and Right to Information Act First Appellate Authority. Google tests verified checkmarks in search results. Alphabet's Google is testing showing checkmarks next to certain companies on its search results in a move aimed to helping users identify verified sources and steer clear of fake websites. Google already uses automated systems to identify pages with scammy or fraudulent content and prevent them from showing up in the search results. As per Google's official, we regularly experiment with features that help shoppers identify trustworthy businesses online, and we are currently running a small experiment showing check marks next to certain businesses on Google. Swiggy introduces Bolt, a 10-minute food delivery service. IPO-bound Swiggy has launched Bolt, its new 10-minute food delivery service, starting with 6 cities, that is Bengaluru, Hyderabad, Mumbai, Chennai, Delhi and Pune. Designed to cater to the growing demand for faster food deliveries, Swiggy's Bolt will offer a selection of popular dishes such as burgers, beverages, breakfast items and biryani that require minimal preparation time. According to Rohit Kapoor, CEO of Swiggy Food Marketplace, the service will gradually expand to more locations based on customer feedback. That's all for now. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to VAR India magazine. You can download the VAR India app from Google Play Store and Apple App Store for more news and updates. Stay tuned. Thank you.